Welcome to Abercrombie and Fitch try on haul. My name is Alisa and let's get into it. It's my first order from A&F. It was very thoroughly packed and delivered within one day. A little confession, this haul happened predominantly thanks to these jeans. I saw them at Coco Schiffer and they just looked that perfect wash of denim for fall and all year round. Very expensive and luxury. I had to get my hands on it. They feel really nice and actually very similar to the wash of the jeans that I already have on. Sidebar, I am on a hunt for the perfect denim right now. I'm rebuilding my wardrobe as a new mom of 1 and 3-year-old. Jeans are my latest obsession. The ones that I'm wearing are Levi's 94. I will link them for you. For some reason, they're only on ASOS. They're not even on Levi's website, which is so strange. But anyway, these are straight and the ones I'm wearing are baggy, so they should fit differently. And I love that they have this V shape at the back, which you know is going to be lifting your bum. And they're quite high-rised. Almost forgot to say the model. It's called High Rise 90s Straight, and I'm going to try them in 24 regular. Let's hope this one will fit. I forgot, for reference, my height is 170 centimeters, and in terms of the size, I'm extra small to extra small. I had a big hormonal change after pregnancies and I lost weight significantly. So now I'm rebuilding my wardrobe and I hope you're gonna hop on the journey with me. Back to the try on haul. Very surprised. And I'm still looking for the perfect size, and this is it. Oh my god. So they are kind of high-waisted. They still come up to my belly button. They're incredibly flattering on a bum. When you buy a pair of jeans or trousers or whatever, please always do a sit test. Again, we're shopping for the real life, okay? And this is nice because they have stretch to them. They feel comfortable when you sit down, so they totally pass. I absolutely keeping this. Oh my god, these are really cool. And I will try them on now with shoes. For the shoe test, I'm gonna try them on with these ballet flats that I've been living in for past year and a half. These are R. Emery. And the Kitten Hill from Cezanne. Reach out a lot for them, as even being a mom, they were super comfy. First test with the flats, it's a yes, although they looked a little bit flared out at the bottom. I completely don't mind that. It's a pass. Let's try them with a heel. Oh wow, I love them even more with the Kitten Hill. This is ultimate fall jeans. Oh my god, this is a yes. So flattering. It looks perfect, as if they were made to actually wear with the Kitten Hill. I'm obsessed. Next up are these gorgeous jeans in this light wash, which is a huge contrast obviously to dark denim and might be a controversial choice for fall. In my opinion, it's gonna style incredibly with beiges and brown and plaid. It will be a little bit of pop of that light color in those dark days. Well, hopefully not dark, but you know what I mean, like rainy days, and just want to brighten up your mood. I don't want to touch mic anymore because it looked so frumpy on my top, so bear with me. Okay, gorgeous. I love this wash even more than I thought I will. These are low rise, ultra loose in size 24. I've always been a high-rise girly, but lately with my body changing a shape and a size, I thought I might give it a try to other styles. They looked fantastic on a model, so I had to give it a try. These are perfect. I wouldn't call them actually low-rise because, as you can see, it's also hitting me on a bit lower than the belly button, which is quite strange. I would think they would be much lower than this, the more medium height than low rise. And although I'm trying to make them lower, they actually don't go any lower. And they are definitely the right size. So quite an interesting move, Abercrombie and Fitch. We kind of don't match the low-rise definition. I thought like low. I'm in my 30s, so I did live through those super low jeans, and I remember those. That's what I was envisioning, but this is not it. Love the wash. Stunning. The color. Oh, how did it change instantly? My face, it definitely suits me in terms of the color. I'm more a cool summer girly. Yes, I did a color analysis. Kindly recommend. And it's definitely, they're on a bigger side, obviously, and I actually like it just to change up a little bit of the outfits, because can you imagine if all of them straight, same color, similar shape? It's a bit boring. You still want to add variety to your wardrobe, and I love that this is different. I love it. It's quite flattering on the back. I wouldn't say it's as lifting as the high rise, the previous ones, but still, they're doing really good work for my figure. I have to say I don't have such a big bum, but I'm working on it, okay? And they are comfortable in terms of sitting. Let's do our ultimate sit test. Yeah, that's nice. They have no stretch. Previous ones 100% have stretch. This one don't. But nevertheless, they are comfy. Not biggest thing is they don't push into tummy. You know, some of them are way too tight around the stomach. This one's, they give me a breathing room. Jeans surprised me by having this rip at the back, which I completely didn't expect. As a stylist, I know it does give you that edge and actually elevates your look because your jeans look more worn into. If I'm gonna keep them, I'm gonna cut it because it's just gonna simply irritate me, and I know I'm gonna be stepping on it and it's gonna get dirty. But otherwise, I really love the fit. So I'm kind of on an edge. Let's see them with the shoes and then I'll decide. First of all, with the flats, I like it more than I thought I will. It is actually very flattering, and these jeans, the height is perfect to wear with flats, and let's test it if they go well with a heel. I really like it with a heel. It's really nice. It completely changed my opinion in terms of the keeping it. Wow, I'm perplexed. Okay, we're on to day 2 of filming as my little one woken up and interrupted yesterday's sessions. We're trying on this gorgeous hockey jeans. It might be a little bit intimidating of having colorful bottoms. In fact, it's easier to style than you think. Hockey has been going so strong in 2026, and I'm sure we're still going to be seeing in fall as well. These are ultra loose, low rise in 25 regular. Let's see if they're actually really low, but most likely are, because 25 is supposed to be on the largest side for me, as we figured out I'm size 24. I'm excited to see them on. Let's go. This is what I call truly low rise jeans. I mean, yeah, they're obviously on a bigger side, as was anticipated, but I really love the fit. Look at the bum. Usually low-rise jeans don't really do anything for your back area, but this, wow, I love it. But they are long. I took them in the regular size, as I said, but I am stepping on them. Even if I'm gonna wear a heel, it's not gonna save it. So if you want the low-rise jeans, go for a shorter length. One of the clever things that designers did with these jeans is not adding pockets at the front, so it doesn't add extra unnecessary volume. Very nice and smooth, so it's easier to style. I really love the fit. In terms of the sit test, let me move you. Okay. Yeah. Easy. When the lower rise is just, you know, they are more comfortable, very fluid. I love it. I actually really like it, but they are too long for me and too big, so I'm definitely going to be returning them. Nevertheless, let's see them with the shoes. It looks nice. Again, way too long. I can't get over it, obviously. It's a big factor, but I love the way it folds at the bottom. It's very flattering and definitely going to be looking very nice with the sneaker as well. So high heel is better, but I'm still stepping on them. That's how long they are. Surprisingly, they look good. I like that. This is a new vibe for me, but again, it's not usable for real life, therefore I will be returning them. But in case you like them, again, go for shorter length, give it a go. I think it might be a really nice staple in your fall wardrobe. Change it up a little bit. I've never given a go to Abercrombie and Fitch knitwear, but this definitely caught my eye. How fun is this cardigan? Look perfect with these bottoms, and to be fair, with any of the bottoms that I selected today. Let me try it on. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the best light. This is the sweater on, or cardigan rather. I love the color. The color story is amazing. It goes with a lot of things, especially having white as a base. It always makes it easier to blend in with your wardrobe. This bell-shaped sleeves are so cool, and always Yes, I always roll them up just to add extra skin and balance out the entire outfit. Also, really nice thing about this cardi is that it's cinched at the waist, which gives you more definition to the body. Therefore, it's more flattering. And I absolutely love the buttons. They give this pearl-esque effect. It's also a little bit bended. Finishes are more important than you think. So yeah, this is the sweater on. And how well does it go with the jeans? I told you. This is size small and it's 100% wool. So far, it's not itchy. I will try it on again with some other items and then I'll decide if I'm gonna keep it. Next. This lounge pants looked so cool on Cassia and I really wanted to try them on. They feel soft and really nice. Just, you know, casuals to stay at home, play with the kids kind of thing. Wow, actually, they feel really nice. They are in a size extra small. This beautiful kind of yellow color, not butter yellow. This is not butter yellow, but as I told you, this sweater is just, it goes with everything. This top feels so soft, very unexpected. I love how it feels on my skin. I honestly didn't expect that. Abercrombie and Fitch, wow. Now I want to run and buy all my tops from you because this is lush. This is in size small, but this stretch is incredible. I should have actually sized down for the extra small. I'm wearing black bra. Not the smartest choice for this, but just ignore that, okay? I mentioned before, I don't think they color match, do they? No, I don't think so. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you think they do match in a color or not. Honestly, I feel like it's a little bit shade off, but I don't mind because you can wear this top with those jeans and every day, and it's okay that they don't super color match, although I honestly would have preferred that. Let me know your favorite item in the comments, like and follow for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.